5 seconds to go. Start. It is further submitted that even PW2 to PW4 are not reliable and trustworthy eyewitnesses. It is submitted that looking to the distance between the house and the place of occurrence, it is not possible to hear the cry of PW1 and that they reached the place of occurrence only after the offense of robbery was committed by the accused. It is further submitted that there is an inordinate delay even in filing the charge sheet and conducting trial. It is submitted that in the present case the charge sheet was filed after 13 years and such a delay has not been explained by the prosecution. It is further submitted that even otherwise the accused involved were less than 5 persons and even Benny came to be acquitted by the learned trial court and therefore the accused herein also cannot be convicted for the offence punishable under section 397 IPC. Reliance is placed on the decisions of this court in Rajkumar alias Raju versus State of Uttaranchal 2008-11 SCC 397 and Balbir versus State of Uttar Pradesh 2020 SCC Online All 845. It is submitted that considering the totality of the circumstances of the case, the accused is entitled to the benefit of doubt. Making the above submissions, it is prayed to allow the appeal preferred by accused Ganeshan and to acquit him for the offence punishable under section 397 IPC for which he has been convicted. Submissions on behalf of the accused Shanmugam alias Babu in criminal appeal number 904 of 2021. In addition to submissions by learned counsel appearing on behalf of accused Ganeshan, it is submitted by learned counsel appearing on behalf of accused Shanmugam that in the present case there is no substantive charge or conviction for robbery. It is submitted that conviction of an accused can only be on substantive charge and not otherwise in the absence of any evidence to the same. It is submitted that in the present case the substantive charge is only under section 395 dacoity IPC and even otherwise nothing is on record that the accused Shanmugam gave any blow and or used any deadly weapon and or caused any grievous injury. The accused cannot be convicted on the basis of constructive liability for the offence punishable under section 397 IPC. Reliance is placed on the decision of this court in the case of Mohan Singh versus State of Punjab AIR 1963 SC 174. It is further submitted that in absence of any charge for robbery under sections 390, 392, read with section 378 theft, section 383 extortion, either in the form of charge sheet or in the form of charges, the accused cannot be convicted for the aforesaid offences also. It is further submitted that dacoity is nothing but an exaggerated version of robbery with a difference in number of accused 5 or more, which is a sine qua non to proof of dacoity. Reliance is placed on the decisions of this court in the case of Ram Bilas Singh and others versus the State of Bihar 1964 1 SCR 775 Rajkumar alias Raju Supra and Manmeet Singh alias Goldie versus State of Punjab 2015 7 SCC 167. It is further submitted that even otherwise in the case of accused Shanmugam, he has been convicted relying upon the confessional statement of co-accused which is inadmissible in the evidence. It is submitted that confessional statement of A1 Ganeshan and A2 Benny, which are before the police officer, are inadmissible in evidence. It is further submitted that there is no other evidence against the accused Shanmugam except the so-called confessional statements of A1 Ganeshan and A2 Benny. Making the above submissions, it is prayed to allow the present appeal and acquit the accused Shanmugam for the offence punishable under section 397 IPC for which he has been convicted. Dr. Joseph Aristotle S., Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of the state of Tamil Nadu, has vehemently submitted that in the facts and circumstances of the case as such, the courts below have not committed any error in convicting Ganeshan A1 and Shanmugam alias Babu A3. It is submitted that in the present case, the presence of the accused at the time of the commission of the offence has been established and proved by the prosecution while leading evidence both documentary and oral. Stop.